Tired of boring indoor runs? Well, what if a treadmill could take you around the world? Adjust to your terrain and light up with every move. Meet UREVO Cyberpad. It's the smartest workout partner yet. It's compact, it's smart, and completely changes the game for indoor running. If you've ever wanted a treadmill that actually motivates you, this is it. Today I'm gonna get this open, check out what comes in the box, check out those features, and actually demonstrate how this works. So let's go. As you can see, it's packed very securely in this box. There's no way of it getting damaged while being transported to your house. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Cyberpad. I'm gonna get this plugged in and go over some features and show you what it's all about. There's a couple of different ways we can control the Cyberpad. One of them is this remote control that comes with it. To connect it, all you're gonna do is keep the treadmill power turned off. Gonna hold down the plus and minus here. Then it's gonna put it into Bluetooth mode. Then when we turn on the Cyberpad, it's gonna automatically connect to the remote control. The other way we can control the Cyberpad is with the app. There is a QR code next to the power switch. This will take you to the App Store. You can then download the app and sign up and connect. So first up is the World Tour mode. So you can pick different routes on the Smart app from Australia, USA, and Italy. You name it, the Cyberpad adjusts the incline and the speed in real time. So you're not using buttons, nothing like that. No guessing, you're just having a real life coach who knows every single hill. So as you can see, it's an actual immersive experience. So when you're going for your walks, you're gonna see your speed increase and decrease depending on where you are, the terrain of the actual location you've chosen. Same with the incline. Now you can actually manually change it with the controls on the left and the right. You can speed up or slow down, and you can increase the incline or decrease it depending what you want. It uses mega lift technology for up to a 14% incline, boosting your fat burning efficiency by up to 40%. And after every run, the app gives you a full breakdown. Calories burned, how far and how long you ran. It even shows activity rings to keep your goals visual and motivating. The Cyberpad isn't just tracking, it's coaching you. Smart, visual, and easy to use. The Power Mega Brushless motor is a game changer. It's 30% less noise, no dust, and it cuts energy use by 15%. So it means that I can run if my baby's asleep or if someone's on work call. That's just how quiet this thing is. It's built compact to fit small homes, but expands to give 30% more running pad with a 1:2 body ratio for comfortable stride. See, I live in an apartment, so the fact that I can actually just fold it up, pull it away, there's no more excuses anymore. When it comes to storing or the mobility, it does have a handle and wheels, and it's not too heavy, so you can pick it up and move it around. You can move it between rooms or to the place you want to store it. Another fantastic thing is it does have 2 rubber pads on the bottom, so when you want to lean it up, it's gonna safely store without actually damaging the treadmill. See, the multicolored light syncs with your speed and effort, so faster run, faster lights. You can even set your own colors. It's honestly so motivating. It's like your own light show with every step. I used to go to a gym and sit in traffic, but now with this, it means I can be done in about 30 minutes and I can just recover on my couch, have a shower, and hit my calorie goals. Trust me, you'll see the Cyberpad is much more than just a treadmill. It's kind of a complete fitness system. So I mean, if you want faster results, smarter workouts, and a treadmill that's gonna fit your lifestyle, and not the other way around, then I think the Cyberpad is gonna be the one for you. If you're interested in the Cyberpad, we are gonna leave a link in the description below. Comment what your favorite feature was, share this with a friend who you think this may benefit, hit that like button, and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this.